Hello everyone. We have developed the Android app named the Health Bro. Using this app, authenticated users can publish articles related to health, diseases, symptoms, cures, and fitness articles along with its associated topic. Only admin can add verified doctors. So basically, this app is designed for health and fitness awareness. Look, this is the sign up or and login page of our app. Here you can sign in using your Google account. You can continue as a guest, or you can sign in using custom email and password. We have also added the forgot password functionality in this. We have integrated Firebase Auth UI for this purpose. This is very helpful. You can set up the emails for sending to the users when they forget their password to reset their passwords. So let's sign in. I would be using my I would be using Google account that I has made admin for this app. So let's sign in. So you can here see this is the home page of our app. This page displays all the articles along with the details such as publisher, topic, and the date published. You can see these are the buttons where you can tap to like or comment on the topic. Like I have liked this button, or to comment I would be going to this button and can write anything like let's say I should type first comment. Okay, so here you can see these comment. So we have integrated this functionality, and a user can filter articles according to the topic listed on the topic list using this icon. Now I am topping this. So if I want the articles only related to coronavirus, I would be tapping on the coronavirus. So when I tapped on this, I can see the articles related to coronavirus only. And to again see all the articles, I would be going back to the that action button, and I would be clicking the all topics button, and now I can again see all the posts according to their date. Now only admin user can see this red plus button, and using this button admin can add a new doctor. Only admin can do this. Like let me show you how to. Here, tapping on this circle image viewer, you can select the profile pic for the doctor. Like I would be selecting this one. Okay, and you can write the doctor's name here. Like I should write again doctor. So I can write the functionality in which the specialty in which the doctor is specialized. Like let me write neurology. Okay, and here I'm gonna add the contact number of the doctor. Since this thing only can be done by admin, admin would be writing only right numbers. Clinic address for here, let me write. Okay, and by tapping on this add new doctor button, a progress bar you can see here is marking the completion, and you would be showing a toast new doctor saved successfully. And you can anytime view the list of the doctor from tapping on this contact fragment. Like you can see here the doctor which we have added can be seen here, and by tapping on this this black button, we can dial the number of the doctor like this. And now I would be showing how to add a post. Only authenticated users, let me say all users except the anonymous user can post. Like let me show you how to. By tapping on this blue plus button, I would be going to the gallery, selecting an image. Like I should select this one. Okay, and by adding this description, this is a demo description. And now add the topic. For this sake I am adding the topic as coronavirus. And by tapping on this add post, a progress bar would be shown to you which marks the completion of this uploading process. Now you can see the image we have uploaded can be seen here. You can like it. This is the description you are shown here. And now coming to the doctor's context fragment, here the details of some verified doctors added by the admins. You can dial its number by tapping this button, which I have showed you previously. Now coming to the user's account fragment, tapping on the open account setup, you can anytime change your profile pic name and delete your account if you wish to by tapping the delete button. Like here I have already added my profile pic and name, but you can always change it. And you can also, I have also added this functionality of delete. You can anytime delete this account, or you can change your profile pic or name. So this is the basic version of our app which we have created in just 2 days. Hope you would like the app. Thanks.